And the man not doing thing on the side by then, so I'm too far. I can't read.
What do you mean I'm buying all this?
Which a lie.
This sanitary.
Look how you dress up. Watch ya.
Let go from the sock.
Look how you dress up in a class and can't read. Big dumb and fool.
Yo, what is that?
A chicken pass, me tell you.
No man.
I'm gonna get some.
Me tell you say me go fix car.
Look like you sell ganja for real.
Me hang up and run. Me can't believe you. I mean, look, video call. I'm about to yell at me, you know. I say, yo, the dog feel a frog. But respect me, G. You don't know what say you me have to go roll. Because you don't know say, auntie call me, I say, we take you out of the badness and I say, yes, auntie. Yeah, well. Yeah, listen, I say, man, don't shoot up.
I don't know auntie shop as a man. I sit down on the chair. Hold on, I'm so call about now.
Julie, come on 5 phone. Come on 5 phone. You know, for me, I run fast. Julie, then just rub me down this one.
You mean by rub you?
Me take one taxi. Yes.
Listen, you saw a gunman hold you hold up your hand.
I can't believe so Richard I go thief door. Me just hold on, me make some one question. That dumb boy, the way my par with, where he come from?
Yo, man, I mash up your brother.
Hold on, I mash up, man. I'm mash up for time. Right, it.
Because you feel like support the head because of...
No. Listen now.
Well,
alright. What am I going to do with the Aki? No, go put it on and people in the car.
General, what you deal with?
What go on? You want to burn down your whole place?
One digga which a lie. I know two which a lie. One digga which a lie. I know two which a lie. One digga which a lie. One which a lie. Rich and a lie.
Maggy.